Stop pouring liquid fertilizer on your potted plants right now. You think you're feeding them, but you're actually suffocating their roots. Every single drop leaves behind a silent killer, toxic synthetic salts. This builds an invisible chemical wall underground, triggering an EC overload. And as extreme summer heat slams USDA Zones 6, 7, 8, and 9, those trapped roots will burn. The only fix is this ancient volcanic mineral, a microscopic honeycomb vault. It instantly neutralizes those toxic salts and rebuilds your soil's dead battery. But the real reason commercial garden centers hide this happens deep underground. Look at this soil. This is what standard potting mix looks like after one full season. Hard, compacted, dead. Commercial potting mix breaks down fast. The perlite collapses. The peat shrinks. Air pockets disappear. Now roots have nowhere to breathe. But that's only half the problem. Here's what the garden center industry never tells you. Every liquid fertilizer you buy is salt-based. Nitrogen salts, phosphate salts, potassium salts. You pour them in. The plant absorbs a fraction. The rest stays behind. Season after season, those salts accumulate. They raise your soil's EC level. That's electrical conductivity, way past the safe zone. Once EC spikes too high, roots can't pull in water anymore. Even if the soil is wet, the plant is dying of thirst. That's called osmotic stress, and it hits hardest in summer heat. Zone 7 right now is already hitting 85 degrees Fahrenheit in May. Zone 8 and 9 are pushing 90 degrees Fahrenheit within weeks. Your roots are already under heat stress. Add toxic salt buildup on top of that. That plant isn't struggling. It's in chemical collapse, and you've been following the exact advice that caused it. This is not your fault. But here's what is actually happening inside that pot. Your soil works like a battery. It stores nutrients. It releases them slowly. It feeds your roots on demand. That system has a name, Cation Exchange Capacity, CEC. Simple version, CEC is your soil's battery life. Fresh potting mix starts with a CEC of maybe 10 to 15 units. After one season of liquid fertilizer overload, it crashes to 3 or 4. Your soil's battery is dead. It can't hold nutrients anymore. Every feeding just washes straight through, or worse, converts into toxic salt residue. Now, here's what the fertilizer industry doesn't want you to know about. This is zeolite, a prehistoric volcanic mineral, formed 50 to 300 million years ago inside volcanic rock. Look at it closely. Inside every single granule is a microscopic honeycomb matrix, thousands of tiny chambers. Each chamber acts like an ionic vault. It physically intercepts ammonium ions, potassium ions, calcium ions, and locks them inside until roots actually need them. But more importantly, zeolite neutralizes toxic sodium salts. It pulls them out of the root zone, stabilizes pH, prevents the EC spikes that are suffocating your plants right now. A zeolite amended soil can push CEC from a dead 4 units back up to 25 or 30 units. That's not a small improvement. That's rebuilding the entire chemical foundation of your pot. Your soil becomes a self-regulating nutrient reservoir. One that doesn't need constant feeding. One that survives summer heat without chemical collapse. But here's what most people get wrong when they use it. You do not need to repot. Here's exactly what you do. 3 steps. Do this tomorrow. Step 1. Take a fork or stick. Loosen the top 2 inches of your potting soil. Break up that compacted crust. Step 2. Add horticultural zeolite. 1 tablespoon per inch of pot diameter. 6-inch pot, 6 tablespoons. Scatter it evenly across the surface. Step 3. Water slowly and deeply. Let it pull the zeolite down into the root zone. That's it. Within 2 weeks, salt buildup starts flushing out. Root tips start recovering. Moisture stays stable even as temperatures climb. Your plant wasn't weak. It was trapped in a chemical prison you didn't know existed. You just demolished that prison. Now your soil has a working battery again, a self-regulating system that summer zone heat cannot break. You did that. with 1 ancient mineral and 3 simple steps. If you want to know what happens when you combine zeolite with the wrong watering schedule, and why it can reverse all of this progress, that's exactly what's coming next week. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, because that next video might be the most important one your plants ever needed.